yourself, please. What's your name? How old are you? Where are you from? Let's look at pictures and tell me what you see, please. Can you read this one for me, please?
One, two, three. Song of you and me. First you born in, go and start. This new song makes me feel early. Music, 7 and 8. Cold, it really your breath. Music is 9 and 10. Let's sing this song. Oh,
And what is your favorite musical instrument?
my favorite musical instrument is piano.
Can you play the piano?
Yes.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Medusa.
And how do you feel when you listen to the song?
Good.
Thank you, bye. Goodbye.